Hi, Eric here from Laserscanning TV, and this week we are on the GeoWeek in Denver, Colorado. Check out what new cool stuff you can figure out here. Hi, we are in the booth from Pix4D, and I'm together with...
I'm Ryan Sweeney with Pix4D. I'm the product manager for Pix4D Catch Hardware.
Ah, okay. Also you are the right guy for this product. What is the first hardware product from Pix4D?
Yeah.
And the latest development? Yeah, more or less.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is our first real foray into hardware. We do have a crane camera, but it was more of a direct sale, limited production kind of thing. This is our first foray into real production output in the hardware. So what this is actually an RTK device, just like your Trimble R10s or R12s or your Leica GS18Is, all that stuff. They'll get you your accurate single point measurement, RTK, 1 centimeter accuracy depending on your conditions and your baselines, just like any other receiver. Connects right to your iPhone, comes with a nice soft or a nice hard plastic case. So you always have this on your phone when you're ready to go use your RTK. Flip it out right on in, twist it, and it's not going anywhere. It's very solid right
Yeah. This part is from the German company.
This was all developed and manufactured in Germany.
Yeah.
So they all come right on in, all from a nice EU country, known for quality. This is a nice solid nice solid block of CNC'd aluminum. So it's not cast, it's not going to fall apart, it's not going to crack when you drop it.
Okay, what in the typical application? It's like scanning like open cable lines, or
exactly. So it's a really nice workflow for getting RTK accurate images. It's essentially turning your phone from a regular Phantom 4 to a Phantom 4 RTK, and they use it for scanning open trench utility lines, so I can get my as-built without having to go walk into the trench and risk injury, insurance liability, all that stuff. If I have data sets that are covered by an overhang and I need RTK accuracy, I can't go in and shoot that with a typical rover. Let me walk on the outside. I have my photogrammetry. I can now pull my annotations, my points, my line work off that process PointCloud.
Okay.
So it really helps bridge that gap of I need RTK accuracy, but I can't get into certain places.
Ah, okay, that's cool. It's a very good summary.
Thank you.
Happy to present the product to us, and I wish you a nice show the next days.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Happy to talk to you guys anytime.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Hi, now we are on the booth from HoloBuilder. We go construction site. Safety first for me. Who you are and what you do.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Gratterol. I work for HoloBuilder, and I'm here in the booth right here working with Faro. Since Faro and HoloBuilder are two of the same. Right now we're in the 3D Spa, or the GeoWeek, and right now we are talking about HoloBuilder.
Yes. What is HoloBuilder? Is a quite new product line. It's a new company in the Faro space.
Sure.
Did you can tell what HoloBuilder does for the customer?
Sure. HoloBuilder is a construction progress management solution.
Okay.
Working with GC companies and clients all over the world.
Okay.
We help streamline the workflow, create coordination, and also allow the clients to document the information across all different team members, ranging from project managers, superintendents, owners, stakeholders, and just your general day-to-day operations.
And the way actually is that people use such devices, they can take it in hand, work in the construction site like I do it now, take some pictures, and they pick some pictures. Like we have today a little bit issues with our camera equipment, like on construction site. They go once a week, twice a week, each week, and then they make different sets, and then they can put it in your platform, and all people there in this process of building have the same platform, and they can look on the same datas.
Yeah, so it works like in a degree of archiving or like a repository. You're able to now archive all the information, and it works in construction progress management. So you're able to see from the beginning, the first day of the operation.
Okay.
Depends how much you want to capture. You want to capture once a day, once a week, once a month, once every 2 months. Once you have that in the platform, you have staged day by day, and you can go do it before and after. At the same time, using this kind of technology, it's simple. You just walk on site, you capture on site, and then you're done. We
Yeah.
work with also the GeoWeek app that allows you to use AR information, AR
Okay.
technology, and that tethers with the phone, and you can capture that offline, makes a cache, goes back to the cloud, and then goes straight to the team's,
Okay,
workflow.
that's cool. And you also can do annotation and that you can also put additional information in this platform.
That's correct. You're
Yeah.
able to put all the information and also extract it into a PDF.
Okay.
So if your teammates need to make a quick report, talk to
Okay.
people, you're able to do that almost in a snap of a finger.
Okay, we will do maybe a little bit more next to with the HoloBuilder story, but for the show it's okay for now. I wish you more success
Appreciate it.
and interesting. He is one of the follower of our channel. He is from Canada.
Yeah, I did.
It's the first Canadian follower, what I know. But if there any else Canadian follower, leave a comment.
I'll have to hit you up, Eric.
Yeah,
Appreciate
okay.
your time.
Thanks.
Love to help.
And here I'm on the booth from Screaming Eagle and ProSec. And together with me is David. Maybe David, you introduced you to the audience.
Yes, I'm the Global Geomatics Channel Manager at Screaming Eagle. And this is our first time at the event. It's been really successful for us, and we're showing off the ProSec GS8000 for our subsurface mapping, and it's gone down really well.
Yeah, and what I heard from you that the biggest interesting customer group here was mostly the surveyor guys.
Yeah, so this is opening up new channels for us, and the surveying market and construction market have been probably our most successful visitors here. So it's been really good to chat to them and find out what progress they're making in the industry and where this fits into that.
Okay, that's cool. We go further to the next place. Wish you success for the rest of the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally I'm here together with some people from PointCab. Maybe you introduce you to the audience.
Hi everybody, my name is Julia and I'm the product manager of PointCab. Thank you, Eric, for having us.
Yeah. What you show here on the GeoWeek show, did you have any new products?
Yeah, we actually just announced our new plugin for AutoCAD for Origins, and which is already in the beta testing phase, and we just announced it here at GeoWeek.
Okay. Did you can see any details to the new functionality from the plugin?
Yeah, so the AutoCAD plugin enables the user to direct transfer 3D information straight out of Origins without the need of importing point clouds, which of course saves some time and improves the workflow. Besides of that, there is a direct transfer of lines and other elements directly in the plugin using the Lisp tools, but basically the customer or the user can use every native functionality of AutoCAD together with this plugin.
Did you can say anything to the pricing?
The pricing will be more or less the same as all our other plugin products.
We are more or less finished with the GeoWeek show here. Did you been happy with the show?
Yeah, it was a really good show, and I think after 2 years of nothing going on, it was a very good opportunity to get back together and reconnect and network.
Yeah, I have the same feeling. It was good for us as European guys to be here in the US and North America after 2 years. And with this, we say bye-bye from Denver, Colorado.
Bye.